I think, but I am not 100% sure, I think the KDX just gave up. Total distance, 3,200 miles. Total time, 1:56:57. So I'm gonna, it was hard to kick. I think it's just starting to seize up. Maybe it hasn't quite seized up yet. But I'm gonna give it a kick and see if it'll come back to life. Here, let me set this right here. Okay, let's do this. Let's see if it'll come back to life or if it's just done. Because my QT50, if it seizes up, you just force it through and it'll unseize and you can get home. Let's see what this does. I think it's, let's see. It just feels like shit. Ugh. It feels like it's, yeah, I think she's done. Oh, come on, baby. Almost.